everybody! It's another kitchen adventure with Mommy and Emma. What are we making today, Emma?
Peppa Pig.
We're gonna try and make a Peppa Pig cake. This is probably gonna go like a nailed it kind of situation, but I don't care. It's gonna be fun, and we're going to try, and that's what's most important. All right? So, first, let's make our cake batter. Yes, important. Alright, we went to the store and I let Emma choose, and she decided she wanted confetti cake. So that's what we're going with today.
And when you keep it in here, so you mix it and not put it everywhere.
Right. Scissors are important.
So we need to do the round and the round and a round.
Yep. Get that sparkly cake in there. It's not sparkly, it's sprinkly. Hold it from these little tips up here so it all can come out. Well done. Alright. Well, it's just dry right now. Let's put in some wet ingredients. Let's get in our oil.
Well, can you go?
You may help. Not strong. Hold this. Real steady. Alright, dump it. Well done.
Well, now I can swallow it.
And then we need a cup of water.
Can I swallow it?
Yes, hold on tight, and you know what to do. The oven is ready. Let's dump in the water. Good job.
Now I can swallow it.
Now Mommy's going to do the eggs, okay?
And Mommy is going to do the eggs.
Yep. So I need to get out our whisk. I don't remember. Okay, ready? Oh, that was pretty good. Oh, that was pretty bad.
That's pretty bad.
Mom was not good with eggs. Have you noticed?
Maybe Daddy needs to show.
Maybe Daddy does.
Yeah.
He's at work though.
He'll come back for a minute.
Yeah, he'll come back for lunchtime.
He'll come back for a minute.
There'll be a cake here,
And Daddy.
but I don't know if it'll be ready yet. All right, wash hands.
Mom, I'm not ready.
We're not ready.
Ready now, just one egg.
Oh, nope. That one we don't need. But thanks for being a helper. Get the egg put away.
We can have it later.
Yeah. One solitary egg. Alright, where's that whisk?
Where's that whisk?
I use it so rarely. I'm ashamed to say. Alright, I got it. You spoon, I whisk. Let's do it.
Come on, Dad.
You do.
And this. And this.
Alright, whisk it.
And that looks good. Mommy, I just look and you do it first.
Hmm.
Mommy,
Look at all those colors.
I want to do it first and you do it first.
We'll both do it first.
Mommy,
Smells good.
Mommy, what are you lost?
I don't have 2 whisks. Maybe we need to get 2 whisks. But then I might foresee a whisk battle where they all get stuck together. And that would be unfortunate, wouldn't it? This actually is surprisingly smooth. You're on your tippy toes. Good job. You're doing an awesome job. This is looking real good.
It's really good as slimy.
Does it look slimy?
It looks squishy.
Squishy.
It looks, Mommy, this is
Okay, I'm gonna go get some Pam on the pan. I'm pretty sure I'm using the wrong pan because Like I said, we're not big bakers, so I don't have all the right pans, but
Well, I'm not done.
that's okay.
Well, I'm not done with mine.
That's fine, keep going.
It's charming. It's slimy. It's kissy. And this slimy and kissy is slimy and it's kissy.
It's what? Slimy and squishy? That's
Well,
not inaccurate.
Mom, can put it on, Papa.
No, see, here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna make the cake, and then after it's cool, we'll cut out these pictures, and then we'll cut it into the cake. And I think it'll just about work. I think we can cut off the ears if we have to. Okay, babe, I think it's pouring time.
I don't think so.
No?
Now it's done.
Yeah. Look at that. You did an awesome job.
It's good enough. I think it's good enough.
I think it's good now, too.
Mommy, are you ready to spill it on them?
I am ready to spill it on them.
Are you ready to spill it on Peppa?
We're not going to spill it on Peppa. Yeah, this is definitely going to be way too big. It's going to be a thin cake. That's okay. Like I said, I feel like I'm a winner just because I tried.
Wait, it's ready to peek.
I think Emma is really getting into watching baking videos on YouTube Kids. And I thought, hey, let's try. Why not? Like, we're not professionals in any regard, but if she's having fun and I'm having fun, and we could have cake afterwards? Yeah, yes please.
Mom, I don't think so. It's done.
You don't think it's done? Well, it's all in the pan. Now we get to watch it bake.
Mom, I don't want to do it.
I'm sorry.
I don't want
Oh, but then we'll have cake afterwards.
Mommy, I don't.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right.
Mommy, don't do it.
Oh no, we're having a breakdown. Why? Why is cake making her cry? Alright, that goes in the oven for 28 to 33 minutes. And we'll try to console the sad toddler. I'm gonna let her color the template. It serves no purpose except she gets to color the template. And then I will cut it out. And my scissor skills have been terrible since first grade, so yay! She's gonna be green? Cool. Okay. What I love about Emma is this has now turned into a this doesn't work session where she's finding all these pens and pencils from Dad's old colored pencil bag, and she's finding everything that doesn't work. And hey, what? A protractor. That's what they're called, right? It's been a long time. So that's pretty fun. Hey, whatever. Whatever helps the time go by. Well, I've already failed. Tried, but went to transfer the cake from the pan to a baking tray and this is what happened. Oopsies. I think it'll be okay. I just gotta turn this over somehow without like crumbling it more. And just cut away, but yeah. When I say I'm not a baker, you guys, I really, really mean it. Whoops. Okay, so I've got Peppa Pig. And then all this extra cake. What am I supposed to do with all this extra cake? I don't know yet. Maybe we'll have to do something original. Emma, what did we make? A Peppa Cake. We gotta put pink frosting on it.
Mama,
Yeah, we do. Go for it.
hi guys, we're making well, it's pink and I'm shortening it. Make sure it says in it.
This is Emma's baking show now.
It's my dog.
This is her job.
It's my
Pick
dog.
up to
So
get the
it's
frosting.
my mom. So it's my Adley.
Oh, I'm Adley?
This is my Adley. So I'm his mom.
Oh, you're Jenny McBride and I'm Adley?
And
Wow.
Daddy's Nick.
And Daddy's Nick. Not Chandra's Nick. Can I try, Mommy?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Make sure it says in there.
Okay, Mom.
I want you to mix it so it's in there.
Okay.
So it's
definitely pink
So-
now.
definitely it's not ready.
It's not?
It's not ready. So next it's gonna see it's that color.
Is that pink color?
Make sure next don't touch the hot.
Don't let Nick touch the hot stuff. True.
Nick doesn't want to touch the hot stuff. Nick doesn't want to touch the hot stuff.
No.
He doesn't. I'm just going to get the job.
So this is the part, oh thanks, where I'm at a loss because I actually don't have anything to really like
My
frost a
dog
cake
is at
professionally.
It's my job to get the job.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in your thing then. So yeah.
So mommy's showing Nick can touch the hot things.
Daddy can touch the hot things.
No, Nick can't touch. No, it's Nick.
I know, Daddy's Nick, got it. I'm there, I'm with you.
Nick.
Would you like to lick this?
Yeah.
Wow, yep, nailed it! Oh, I'm ashamed, but also kind of hilarious. All right, Emma, you ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
Ba-da-doo. Okay, so for a little mom who has no idea what she's doing, that looks like Peppa Pig. And we're just gonna eat at home. It's not for a party or anything, so I am not dissatisfied. Okay, so that was an adventure. Emma is going to get high on frosting, and she's ready to eat her cake already, but I think we should probably let Daddy see it first, okay? Yucky,
Okay.
gross. So that was an attempt at a Peppa Cake. It went horribly awry, as we kind of knew it would, but that's okay. I would like to say I learned something, but I have no idea what to do or how it went wrong. Probably it wasn't baked long enough and was too hot when I frosted it, but whatever. Give me your advice in the comments. I will probably listen to it, but I'm just a cake box kind of girl, so I don't know. But we had fun, and now we have cake, so hooray for that. Okay, thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. That would be super nice of you. I think if you hit that bell button, you get to know exactly when we produce new videos. So you can watch a toddler stick her tongue at you with icing. I mean, come on, who doesn't want that? And we really appreciate you giving us a little view. So thank you, and have a great day from wherever you are. Eat some cake! Come on, it's fun. And Remember, even though we did a Nick Jr. thing today, Disney is always just a dream away. Daddy's home. He'll see our cake in like 2 seconds. We gotta get a reaction on this.
Oh no,
And-
next one. Next one, next one.
Next home. Okay, thank you for watching, and